So you see these huge testimonials from people who make thousands of dollars per trade. But the only way they do that is if they have a large trading account to trade with. But you and me, we do not have a large account to trade with. So in this video, I am going to show you how to get funded up to $100,000 by only investing $510. So welcome back everybody, my name is Ajwad and this is my YouTube channel where we discuss everything related to trading to keep you profitable on a consistent basis. If you don't know about prop firm, a prop firm is basically a company that allows you to trade their own capital if you prove your skills to them. You have to complete their evaluation process, and once you complete their evaluation, they allow you to trade their own capital. For more professional ones, you can keep up to 80% of the profits you make on their trading account and they keep 20%. But for the intermediate traders, the percentage of the profit split can be up to 50-50 or sometimes even less. So why is it important to trade with a large trading account? If you want to make larger profits enough for you to have a sustainable life, then you have to trade a larger trading account. Because if you risk 1% on a $1,000 account and target 2% on the same trade, that will be a $20 profit. But on the other hand, on a $100,000 account, if you risk 1% and target 2%, that will be a $2,000 profit, from which 80% will be yours. So $1,600 is a lot of money for me, especially with such small investment. Now here is my warning. If you are not consistently profitable on your demo or on your live account, then please do not pay for this challenge, because you will throw away your money even faster than you are right now on your live account. But however, if you are profitable, then please try this challenge, because with only $500 you can get up to $100,000 account. So without further ado, let's get into my computer and see how you can get a funded account of $100,000. I am going to show you how to do this step by step. This prop firm is Funding Talent because I think it is the best funding company in the world right now. I am going to do an entire video series of me trading their funded account on this channel, so make sure you subscribe to keep up with the videos to see how I do on a funded account. But if you want to sign up and do this funded account challenge with me side by side, you can use the link in description to get a cashback of up to $100 after you sign up. Alright, so fundingtalent.com. Real people, real solution, real success. A word from their CEO. How it works? Step 1. Sign up. Register for either our Flex or Challenge program. Step 2. Start trading. Receive your login credentials within 24 hours and start trading right away. Step 3. Get paid. Receive your first payout in as early as 2 weeks if trading a Flex account. I am gonna go through all the accounts a little bit later in this video. But first I have to tell you that there are a lot of firms out there offering these funded accounts. But a lot of them, like 90% of them, really suck. One of the most popular is FTMO. But if you really compare Funding Talent and FTMO, you will notice that Funding Talent is a way better company than FTMO, which is why I am going with a Funding Talent. What makes Funding Talent better? They have a faster payout system. You deserve your money in your pocket. They have a dual model trading system. You can either trade their Flex account or you can complete the challenge and get a live funded account after completing the challenge. They have literally the highest rewards in the industry right now. You can get up to 90% of the profit splits if you are trading a Flex aggressive account. So there is a little bit more information, some reviews from Trustpilot, more than 462 reviews and 5 stars, which is kind of nice. And here is where you get to choose your trading account size. So they have different price categories. They have a $25,000 account, a $50,000, $100,000, $200,000 and a $300,000 account. They have a Flex Classic model, Flex Aggressive model and a Standard Challenge model. Just like FTMO has a challenge, Funding Talent also has a challenge. Basically, during this challenge, you sign up for the challenge, they give you a demo account, you trade that demo account, and if you pass their challenge by making 8% profit in first phase and 4% profit in second phase, which is way better than FTMO's 10% profit in first phase and 5% profit in second phase, then they give you the funded account and you can make up to 80% profits while you are trading a funded account. So we will be trading a 100k account. I think it's great middle ground, not too low like $25,000 and not too big like $300,000. A 100k account, risking 1% per trade and looking for 2% target, which is $2,000, is just fine for everyone. So they have, as I mentioned earlier, 3 categories. A Flex Classic, which is $610. If you sign up with my link, you can get $100 cashback after you sign up, and after I receive the commission from Funding Talent. They have a Flex Aggressive account, which is $650, and they have a challenge account, which is $610. On the Flex Classic account, there is no evaluation needed. You can literally start getting paid after 2 weeks of signing up for the Flex Classic account. You can get paid 10% of all profits you make on your demo account bi-weekly, and you can also build your elite account through monthly funded earnings. So they have 2 ways to pay you in Flex Classic. You can get paid 10% of the profits you make, and you can get paid up to $5,000 profit of every month you make on a 100k account to your monthly funded earning. And once you get a total of $15,000 in your elite account, you can trade that elite account as well, and you can keep up to 75% profits on that elite account. For this Flex Classic model, the monthly fee is $250, and you can pay this $250 from your funded earnings. And then they have a Flex Aggressive, which is more for the aggressive traders. And on Flex Aggressive, you can get 20% of profits added to your elite account bi-weekly, but there is no 10% profits on the Flex Aggressive model. But however, if you notice here, once you get your elite account, you can keep up to the 90% profits on elite account. And also they have a monthly fee here as well, which is $250, same as the Flex Classic, and you can keep this, you can pay this $250 from your 20% profits that you get towards your elite account. The most important here is their challenge. Right now it shows that it is $610, but as I told you earlier, if you use my link, because I will get commission if you sign up through my link, so I have decided that I will give you $100 cashback right after I get paid out from the Funding Talent. So here on this challenge, you have to make 8% profit in the first phase in total of 30 calendar days, and the 4% profit in second phase in 60 calendar days. You have a 10% overall drawdown limit and a 5% daily drawdown limit, and there is no monthly fee, there is no rules on trading style. You can get bi-weekly payouts and retry for free if profitable with no violation. If you can keep up your account above your starting balance and you haven't violated any of their objective, which is 5% daily drawdown and 10% overall drawdown, you can retry for free. So let's click on the sign up option. Once we click on it, we have to fill up a form. And there is one thing I need to mention here, that they provide you their own server, the Funding Talent server. You do not have to choose any broker because they have their own broker, which is Funding Talent server. So once you pay either via PayPal or Bitcoin or credit card, they will send you your login details within 24 hours and your dashboard as well. There is one more thing I need to show you here. They have a comparison page on their website. You can compare Funding Talent to either FTMO, 5%ers, Trader Central, BlueFX, OneUp, DT4X. The industry leading company right now is FTMO. So if we compare Funding Talent to FTMO, you can clearly see that they both have a $100,000 challenge, but the price for Funding Talent is only $610, while the price for FTMO is $646. And the major difference between both the companies are that Funding Talent gives you 80% profit split, while the FTMO gives you 70% profit split. They both have the same evaluation, but Funding Talent has less profit targets, which is 8% on phase 1 and 4% on phase 2, while FTMO has 10% on phase 1 and 5% on phase 2. You can also hold trade on weekends if you are trading with Funding Talent live account, but you cannot hold your trade on weekends if you are trading with FTMO. So this is the major difference between Funding Talent and FTMO. There are also other firms here, but I don't think they are as good as FTMO or Funding Talent. So this was the whole video on how you can get funded up to $100,000 account. You can take the challenge, pass both the phases in as minimum as 1 day, get a live account, and you can keep up to 80% of profits you make on that funded account bi-weekly. So if you like this video, please consider hitting the like and subscribe button. I will be uploading more videos on different trading companies, different funding companies in the future. So thank you for watching.